What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the UFO Interactive Aircraft. This is a really nice quad, as you can see the four props in there. A really nice drone for beginners or really children. It hovers on its own and it has sensors all around it, and so it's controlled by gestures or whatnot. No transmitter or anything comes with this, not even a set of spare props. So this thing just comes with a USB charging cable, and this screwdriver here was in this bag here, and it comes with this little piece of paper here, which is pretty much the instructions manual, and there's really not much to it. This thing hovers on its own, and it has sensors all around it, and so you control it by putting your hand near it, and it flies away from whatever side you put your hand to. I guess it's obstacle avoidance. And it uses infrared sensors here. We have one here and we have one here. And so I know you guys are wondering, how the heck does it work for all sides if it just has one here and one here? Well, what this thing does is spin. It spins around. So really awesome looking UFO when it's in the air. It just constantly spins around and hovers. And when it comes close to something, whenever something gets in front of one of those infrared sensors there, it stops spinning and starts to fly away from it. And so it works really nice. It's constantly spinning, so all sides are covered, and it even has a sensor on the bottom, so a kid can hold his hand under here if he wanted it to go up, or he can hold his hand next to it to try to get it to fly where he wanted to fly. And it's just a really awesome experience for a child. My 1-year-old can play with this thing and he loves it. It spins around over top of him and he's underneath it spinning around. And then when it comes down close enough for him to grab it, he'll grab it or knock it down. And this material here is soft, so it's really flexible. I'm sure it's plastic, but it's really flexible, so it absorbs impact really nicely. Check it out. Hardly any noise when you drop this thing on either side. And so I don't think that it's going to break. It's almost child-proof. I think if a child stepped on it, it would probably break. Not sure, not willing to try it because my little kids love this thing. My 1-year-old did manage to get one of his fingers in like that to try to touch one of these props while it was spinning, and it buzzed him a little, and he just pulled away and he began to laugh after that. And so it really didn't hurt him. And this thing is a really nice little toy. Very easy to control, no transmitter, no need to learn how to fly or anything. Anybody can pick this thing up and fly with it. It has a little light, a little LED on the top of the quad inside there. It's usually blue when the battery is charged up and you're flying it, and it starts to turn red when your battery starts to die. And this thing lands automatically when it starts to die. So it's a really nice experience for a little kid. And so here's the little spot where you can charge it. There's a little, let me turn the light on. There is where you charge it. This is one of the sensors. I had the light off. Now it's on. You should be able to get a better look at it. So check it out. The little sensors are here on the edge. And we have sensors down here on the bottom. It has a non-removable battery. You just hold that for a quick press to turn it on. You have to hold it down for it to turn off. And that's it. Pretty awesome little aircraft for children, beginners, even a baby, just to have fun. The UFO Interactive Aircraft. Awesome. Thanks for watching.